Good day. Today, we are going to learn about understanding correlation analysis. These are the lesson objectives for this topic. We will be able to describe the nature of bivariate data, construct the scatter plot, draw the best fit line or the trend line, and estimate the strength of association between two variables based on a scatter plot. We start by asking some questions. The whys. We ask, why does savings increase when expenses decrease? Or, for our older ones, we may ask, why does blood pressure increase when one gets older? Or why is health related to lifestyle? For us students, you may ask, why do grades get higher when we spend more time in studying? Or we say, why do house sizes reflect a family's income? We first talk about univariate data. These are data with a single variable. In the previous chapter, we have been dealing with univariate data. For example, score, age, grade, mass, height. These are single data, and we call them univariate data. In this lesson, we'll be dealing with bivariate data. From its prefix bi, it means two. So if we talk about bivariate data, these are data with two variables. We'll go back to our question, and we'll see two variables for each statement. For example, in number one, we have savings and expenses. For number two, blood pressure and age. Number three, health and lifestyle. Number four, grades and time in studying. Number five, house sizes and family's income. These all come in pairs, so these are called bivariate data. What are other bivariate data? We believe that IQ scores also are related to math scores. Or in chemistry, volume and pressure are related. In physics, the more stress you apply to an object, the more strained the object will be. Now, we need to check the relationship of two variables in a bivariate data. For example, if we check the relationship between the IQ scores and the math scores, the method of checking its relationship is called correlation analysis. For example, we talk about this data. The second column reflects the score in statistics, or X. The third column reflects the score in physics, or the Y. If we check the relationship between the scores in statistics and the scores in physics, we call that method correlation analysis. Now, how do we check its relationship? First, we make a scatter plot. A scatter plot is also called a scatter graph or a scatter diagram. A scatter plot shows how each point collected from a set of bivariate data are scattered in a Cartesian plane. Sketching the scatter plot is as simple as plotting points in the Cartesian coordinate plane. It's just like plotting the x and the y coordinates. For example, the first one is 3, 5. 3 is our x, y is our 5. So we see that one in the first point. The next for Francis, it's 9, 8. So it's 9 in the x and 8 in the y. So we check that point. That's how we sketch our scatter plot. Now, how do we describe relationships? Relationships through correlation analysis, the method, can be described through strength and direction. We will have that in our next video.